In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Dataview in Obsidian. By the end, you'll have the Dataview plugin installed and know how to pull a clean list of notes from your projects folder. First, open Obsidian and make sure you're inside the vault where you want to use Dataview. We'll keep everything inside this vault so your queries can read your notes correctly. Head down to the bottom left corner and click the gear icon to open Settings. This is where Obsidian manages all plugins and preferences. If you don't see the gear, make sure your app window isn't too small or expand it so the sidebar is visible. In the Settings panel, select Community Plugins. This is Obsidian's directory of third-party tools that extend the app's functionality. Dataview lives here, and once installed, it can read your notes' front matter and content to create lists, tables, and task views. Click Browse to open the plugin marketplace, then use the search bar to type Dataview. You're looking for the plugin called Dataview. Open its page and click Install. Installation usually takes just a moment. After it's installed, click Enable. This turns the plugin on for your vault. When you're done, close the Settings tabs to return to your notes so you can start using it right away. Now let's run your first Dataview query. Open or create a note where you want the results to appear. Dataview queries go inside a code block. To create one, type 3 backticks, then the word Dataview, press enter, write your query, and finish with 3 backticks. This tells Obsidian to treat the block as a Dataview query instead of normal text. Let's pull a simple list from your projects folder. Inside the block, type list from projects. When you exit the code block, Dataview will render a live list of all notes found in that folder. If nothing appears, double-check that the folder name is spelled exactly as it is in your vault and that it contains notes. Dataview updates automatically, so as you add or rename notes in projects, your list will refresh. A couple of quick tips as you explore. You can change list to table if you want columns of metadata like file name, due date, or tags. You can also add sorting, like sort file.mtime.dsc, to see the most recently modified notes first. These tweaks go in the same code block and keep your view dynamic and organized. That's it. You opened Obsidian, enabled a community plugin, installed and activated Dataview, and created a query that lists everything in your project's folder. Save this note as a dashboard and you'll always have an up-to-date overview at a glance.